Hi everyone! Welcome to Learn to Decode English. In this video, we'll learn basic American English prepositions with visuals. We'll use this book to demonstrate American English prepositions. The book is on the shelf. The book is on the shelf. The book is on the shelf. The book is in the bag. The book is in the bag. In the bag. The book is under the nightstand. The book is under the nightstand. Under the nightstand. The book is under the nightstand. The book is in front of the keyboard. The book is in front of the keyboard. Now the book is behind the keyboard. The book is behind the keyboard. The book is over the nightstand. The book is over the nightstand. Over the nightstand. Over. Thank you for watching today's video. If you liked this video or learned something new, please remember to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. And if you'd like to learn more English tips, check out this video next. Until next time, always keep learning. Bye!